No leaks. Of course, you've got to have the engine running to run it. Fill up the airline. She's ready to go. It's the ARB version 2 7-metre airline kit. And all kinds of shit here. The new digital gauge. Plug that in. Onboard air. 37. 38. Goes that pretty quick. 39.5. There you go. 40 on the nose. Let it back down. 35.5. Because this ute's pretty light, doesn't need much weight. Doesn't need much pressure in it. There you go, it's already at 35.5. It's just Bluetooth, but anyway, I've got this organiser thing here, I'll show you. Rough country. So you can put all your stuff in here. On the back there I'm going to put like sunscreen and bug spray. I've got my hose in here. And a pair of gloves. Air fittings and stuff in here. Test light. Torch. You always got to have a good torch.